Hey guys, look at my hot mess of a dress. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just woke up. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be a little mini vlog today. I'm gonna show you a little bit of my apartment, not a lot because we basically don't got much right now. So we decided that we're just going to buy a king size bed. Both of our beds are full size beds, and we decided just like we'll just get a bigger bed instead of just being in full size beds. So my full size bed, I miss it because it was my first bed that I ever purchased with the bed frame, and the first bed I've ever purchased for myself, and that was like a big accomplishment, even though you guys are like, Elena, it's just a bed. But now it truly meant a lot just being able to do that and doing that for myself. So it's like now it's different, but you know, there's a lot of things that's like different now, and it's interesting to see how much it's set a different space in my life now that it compares to what it was. So we're actually been sleeping on the floor. My back hurts. My back hurts. I'm like, what the heck? Our bed comes, today is Tuesday. So our bed comes Thursday. Yeah, I know, I gotta freaking wait till Thursday. Sucks, I gotta wait till Thursday. But it's okay. I mean, I've slept on the floor before, so, and it's rugs, so it's good. So we get our bed Thursday, and hopefully, you know, we just got the mattress. We're gonna get the frame as well, but there's so many different frames, and I don't even know how I want to even decorate in here or semi-decorate, so I don't want to pick out a color yet. I was thinking more neutral, but I mean, I don't know. So if I get a color and then I'm like, well, it doesn't match, crap, then so I'll just wait for the frame. But the mattress, we got that going on. I'm tired. I think more than anything because I'm sleeping on the floor. My body hurts. Like, what the heck, Elena? All right, so I'll show you more later on. Today is just, there's nothing in this room. Nothing. Just our semi-looking bed. We got the bathroom over here, and got a closet over here. I got a whole bunch of stuff in here. I'll figure out little by little what I'm gonna do. Dining area. This is actually my patio table, and I have a table that I'm breaking. It's just, I'm not gonna break it right now. There's a lot of space here. Don't have much furniture. You guys see the weights? We're doing weights yesterday. Yeah, I mean, there's lots of improvement and things what we could do here. But anyways, I just wanted to like show you guys a little bit here. My kitchen area is tiny. It's not that big. Oh crap. I gotta heat up these frijoles because these frijoles were... See my nieces and nephew. They were actually really, really sad that I'm gone. I've only been gone a couple days, not even a lot. And it just broke my heart. My niece and nephews were crying a lot, and it's just hard because I've been with them for a long time too, and it's a lot of the not even that long living with them, but they remember from a certain time frame. So I think it's about, I moved in around 2017. I graduated, and then the following year I moved in with them. Only lived with them for about 3 or 4 years now, but the kids remember stuff, so now they're already missing me, and I miss them too. It's just, I know I'm gonna see them again, so I don't feel like super sad. Yes, it feels a certain way, but I'm by myself. I think I'm gonna feel it a lot more, not feeling that they're here with me. I'm excited. I'm gonna see them. You guys can see my nieces and nephews, see their little reaction when they see me. I'm gonna try to leave as soon as possible, so I'm gonna get myself ready. I'm going to probably leave everything the way it is. I'm not worried about nothing right now. So going to see them. I have an appointment for Fluffy today, so that's why I'm going back. I can't bring Fluffy back, and I can't bring Fluffy yet until I have his paperwork. And he was neutered almost 5 years ago, but they don't have the documentation that he was neutered, so he has to get a checkup and then gets his shots. So I might as well do all that, and they'll be able to give me that he is neutered, even though you can see no tiene bolitas, so but it is what it is. I gotta do that. Let me go get ready and let's go. It's gonna work. Hello.